Hi, this is question 34 on ECAA 2016. So here we're given A, B and C and told that A is less than or equal to B, and we also have three statements and we're asked which of these statements must be true. Okay, so first of all remember that whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, then you have to flip the inequality sign, and we're told that A, B and C are non-zero, but they could still be negative. So first, if I look at the first statement, we have that 1 over A is greater than or equal to 1 over B, and that's the same as saying B over AB, which is the same as 1 over A, is greater than or equal to A over AB, which is the same as 1 over B. And if you look at the information we're given, we know that B is greater than or equal to A, but this would only be true if we hadn't flipped the inequality sign when we divided through by AB, i.e. if AB is not a negative number. But there's nothing to tell us that AB isn't negative. A and B would just have to be of different signs. So you could have A, say, being, I don't know, -1 and B being 1. And then when you multiply those together, you get -1. So we could totally be dividing through by a negative number here, and then we would need to flip the inequality and this wouldn't hold. So this first statement doesn't have to be true. So I'm going to put a cross next to it, just so remember it doesn't have to be true. And okay, so now if we look at the third statement, well, this third statement is literally this inequality but multiplied through by C. And again, C could be negative, so then when we multiply through by C, we would flip the inequality. So there is nothing to guarantee that this inequality must be true, so let's put a cross next to 3 as well. Okay, so now all we're left with is number 2. And I think the easiest way to see this is to draw a graph. So the graph of 2 to the x has a shape like this. So it's always increasing. So whatever A and B I pick, so I pick A here and B up here, then 2 to the A, which would be here, and 2 to the B would be so that 2 to the A is less than or equal to 2 to the B. So because this is an increasing graph, then we know that 2 does have to hold. So statement 2 is the only one that must be true, and that's answer C.